Today we are going to discuss about the 5-year plans in India. As we already know, India got independence in 1947. India got independence in 1947 and the Planning Commission was set up in 1950. One word I am using here, Planning Commission, was set up in 1950. What does it mean? देखते हैं अभी अच्छे से समझते हैं. इंडिया गॉट इंडिपेंडेंस इन 1947. इट मीन्स दैट उसके बाद इंडिया के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ एक प्रोसीजर फॉलो हुआ. आने वाले ईयर के लिए रूल्स और टारगेट्स बनाते रहे. उसके अंदर आने वाले ईयर के लिए रूल्स और टारगेट्स बनाते रहे. इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग. प्लानिंग मीन्स डिसाइडिंग इन एडवांस. प्लानिंग मीन्स डिसाइडिंग इन एडवांस. पहले से सोच के चलना. आई एम राइटिंग डाउन हियर डिसाइडिंग इन एडवांस. पहले से सोच के चलना. व्हाट टू डू, व्हेन टू डू, हाउ टू डू. क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, किसके लिए करना है. बट इन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग मीन्स अ सिस्टम. इट इज अ सिस्टम in which a central authority means authority level at the central, which was run by the Prime Minister. A system under which central authority sets a number of targets and specifies programs. Programs means objectives. Programs here means objectives. Objectives means two kind of objectives were there, that is long term and short term objectives were there. And policies to achieve those targets within a specified period of time. Specified period of time means 5 years. It means that plans were formulated for the time duration of 5 years. Planning Commission was set up in 1950. Planning Commission was set up in 1950 by Professor P.C. Mahalanobis. Planning Commission was set up in 1950 by Professor P.C. Mahalanobis. It means that first plan was formulated in 1951. First plan was formulated in 1951. As we have already discussed, its time duration is 5 years. So first plan or the first time duration is 1951 to 1956. First time duration is 1951 to 1956. Till 2015. Planning Commission was under working. Till 2015, Planning Commission was under working, but it was replaced in 2015, that is February 2015, by Niti Aayog. Working was same. Niti Aayog same. जैसे Planning Commission काम करता था वैसे Niti Aayog काम करता था. प्लानिंग कमीशन क्या करता था, 5 इयर्स के लिए प्लान्स बनाता था फॉर द कमिंग 5 इयर्स. मींस ऑब्जेक्टिव सेट करता था पूरी इकोनॉमी के अंदर क्या क्या उसको अटेन करना है. अगेन इंडिया को इंडिपेंडेंस मिला 1947 में. फर्स्ट प्लानिंग कमीशन बना 1950 में. किसके गाइडेंस के अंदर बना था? प्रोफेसर पीसी महालनोबिस. फर्स्ट 5 ईयर प्लान कौन से थे? 1951 टू 1956. आफ्टर दैट इन February 2015 it was replaced by Niti Aayog. Now the next question is, as Planning Commission time duration is 5 years, but the time duration for Niti Aayog is 15 years. The time duration for Niti Aayog is 15 years. That's it. This was the topic at the starting. Now the next thing is types of planning. Planning is classified into two parts. One is directive planning, one is comprehensive planning. Directive planning means the planning which formulates as per the free play forces of demand and supply. As we have already discussed in class 11, that is equilibrium forces means a situation where a seller is willing to sell and the buyer is willing to buy. Next thing to consider is no role of government was there. Next is no role of government was there in directive planning. Comprehensive planning means planning which totally works under the guidance of government. Which totally works under the guidance of government. That's it. Our first topic is India को इंडिपेंडेंस कब मिला? 1947 में. प्लानिंग कमीशन बनना कब स्टार्ट हुआ? 1950 में. बनाया किसके अंडर था? प्रोफेसर पीसी महालनोबिस. अभी तक कितने 5 ईयर प्लान्स हो चुके हैं? 12 5 ईयर प्लान्स. कितने प्लान हो चुके हैं? 12 5 year plans. Now the next thing is प्लानिंग को कितने पार्ट्स में क्लासिफाई करा, वन इज डायरेक्टिव प्लानिंग, वन इज कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव प्लानिंग. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज टाइप्स ऑफ इकोनॉमीज. As we have already studied, three types of economies were there. One is capitalist economy, one is socialist economy, one is mixed economy. Now discuss it one by one. Capitalist economy means an economy in which three major decisions, that is what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Three major decisions, that is what to produce, how to produce, and whom to produce, were taken by private individuals. Now the socialist economy is an economy in which three major decisions, what to produce, how to produce, and whom to produce, were taken by the government. As it was already clear by its name, mixed economy. Mixed economy means private as well as government. Mixed economy means private as well as government. Merits of capitalist economy: that a consumer will get wide choice in the products. Demerit of capitalist economy. Demerit is consumer get wide choices, but जो poor section of the society will not get benefited. Poor section of society को loss होता है यहाँ पे because its main is to earn profit. Its main aim is to earn profit. It means that it ignores social welfare. Now the next thing. Socialist economy, that is run by the government. Main motto is social welfare. Main demerit is it ignores consumer choice. Mixed economy means it was run by private as well as the government, but the main problem in this type of economy is corruption. That's it. 5-year plans in India. First thing is meaning of economic planning. Second is types of planning. Next is types of economy. Remaining we will continue in our next class. Thank you.